future of AR toys is probably going to have a lot more things like the merged 6 Degree of Freedom blaster. This is compatible with ARKit and ARCore and your smartphone. And last year, smartphones released a lot of impressive AR apps that were built into iOS and Android that allowed you to float things in 3D. What the blaster does is it creates a gun, an accessory that's compatible with ARKit and ARCore. There are 3 triggers and a button, and it's fully movable in space, so you can duck, roll, slide around, and the graphics in this demo, which are built in ARKit, work astonishingly well. The blaster is also going to be multiplayer at launch, so if you're thinking of some sort of multiplayer phone laser tag, you've got the right idea. That is the goal, that you'll be able to play with multiple people and duke it out. Now the AR here again is on a phone, not with glasses. Maybe that's where AR needs to be for toys, because then you don't have to wear anything that you're going to stumble around with or recharge. This is using an iPhone 10. We don't know the price yet of the blaster, but it feels solid. The clicker and the triggers all seem to work pretty well. It looks fun, and the response rate is actually astonishingly good. It's meant to be open to other developers too, so that this, and even the manufacturing structure of this, could be open for people to tinker with and create other apps, and maybe this could become a platform. I also think there are going to be more things like this too. Much like Lenovo's Star Wars Jedi headset, expect a lot of AR and mixed reality with your phone in 2018.